Committing to a new life in Costa Rica and slipping into the proper mindset. Do you have that burning desire to follow a new path in life? Well, every day I think about how much fun it is to share with all of you the many exciting adventures experienced in Costa Rica by so many people. Books have been written, movies have been made, and lives have been changed by this thing we call the Pura Vida Lifestyle. What a wonderful life it is. And here at Costa Rica Pura Vida Lifestyle podcast series, we have over 4,400 episodes recorded to date. We're on all major podcast venues. We love to share stories about the good news that happens here in Costa Rica. And the great thing about it is that these stories never run out. They never stop. Every day, more stories are shared and the excitement grows about one of the happiest countries on the planet. Every time somebody visits Costa Rica, I would venture to say that immediately after their trip here, many say to themselves, I wonder what it would be like to live in this beautiful country. After a few more trips, these thoughts and ideas ramp up a bit, perhaps to, well, I think I want to move here. And then the fun begins. Changing one's life and moving to another country is not easy. First, it takes a mindset with absolutely no doubts that you want to do it. There's no maybe, there's no I think. Once your mind is made up, then the planning stage begins. Telling all your friends, your family, setting a date, getting rid of your stuff, selling your home perhaps. The list goes on and on, so much to do. In addition, you have to find a place to live in Costa Rica. Are you going to rent for a while? Are you going to buy outright from the start? Some additional concerns run through your mind. Where do I get my medicine? Can I afford to do this? Can I work remotely and still earn income? It seems overwhelming at first, but things have a way of falling into place comfortably for most people. Danny and Cheryl, they just reached out to us and they are so excited about this new year, 2024 coming up. They say it's a rebirth for so many people and they wanted to share their successes with us so that perhaps they can help others make their decision to either spend more time or move permanently to Costa Rica. Tucson was home for them. They loved the mountains, the desert, the outdoor activities that they could have fun with on the weekends. Of course, they both worked hard during the week. Friday night came around and they were out the door. Well, after 40 years of working hard in their own business, they, like so many others who moved to Costa Rica, went virtual. Now, in 2024, they're going to enjoy working online from their modest home that they bought. It sits within 100 yards of Manuel Antonio National Park, and they spend their mornings drinking coffee and watching the sunrise. Then they tend to their garden that provides them with just about every fruit and veggie that they need to eat healthy. The next 4 or so hours, well, they're going to spend working to pay the bills. They both can work online now. They will be digital nomads. But when late afternoon rolls around, they're either on the beach, snorkeling, or walking through the rainforest. They plan on losing a lot of weight and just really excited about life. And they took that first step. They decided that they wanted to come. And now they're planning it out. And I know by this time next year, they're going to have a wonderful life in Costa Rica. What are you waiting for? If you're considering a move here, well, get the ball rolling. Push the go button. Get started. Hey, Pura Vida, thanks for listening. We'll see you tomorrow.